Given. Today the topic is derivation of equations for enthalpy and entropy. So now consider the temperature derivatives. That is, a heat capacity at constant pressure is dou H by dou T at constant pressure is equal to Cp. So here dH is equal to TdS plus VdP. Dividing this equation by dt, dou H by dou T at constant pressure is equal to T dou S by dou T at constant pressure. Then dou S by dou T at constant pressure is equal to Cp by T. The pressure derivative of entropy gives dou S by dou P at constant temperature is equal to minus dou V by dou T at constant pressure. Now consider the equation dH is equal to TdS plus VdP. Dividing this by dP and restricting to constant temperature, dou H by dou P at constant temperature is equal to T dou S by dou P at constant temperature plus V. So dou H by dou P at constant temperature is equal to V minus T dou V by dou T at constant pressure. Now the functional relations for enthalpy and entropy are H is a function of temperature pressure and also S is a function of temperature pressure. So dH is equal to dou H by dou T at constant pressure dt plus dou H by dou P at constant temperature dP. ds is equal to dou S by dou T at constant pressure dt plus dou S by dou P at constant temperature dP. Substituting for the partial derivatives, we get dH is equal to Cp dt plus V minus T dou V by dou T at constant pressure into dP. Similarly, ds is equal to Cp dt by T minus dou V by dou T at constant pressure is into dP. So these are general equations relating enthalpy and entropy of homogeneous fluids for a constant composition at temperature and pressure. So in place of partial derivatives, we substitute the equations and we get these two final equations for calculation of dH and ds. The PVT behavior of fluid in ideal gas state is given by the equations PVIZ equal to RT. So dou VIZ by dou T at constant pressure is equal to R by P. So here Vig is molar volume of ideal gas at temperature and pressure. So substituting these equations in the above equation, dHig is equal to Cpiz dt, dsig is equal to Cpiz dt by T minus or dP by P. So here Ig denotes ideal gas value. So if you write these equations in terms of volume expansivity, dou S by dou P at constant temperature is equal to minus beta V, dou H by dou P at constant temperature is equal to 1 minus beta T V. Consider the equation H equal to U plus PV. Here U is equal to H minus PV. So dou U by dou P at constant temperature is equal to dou H by dou P at constant temperature minus P dou V by dou P at constant temperature minus V. So here dou U by dou P at constant temperature is equal to Kp minus beta T into V. So here dou V by dou P at constant temperature is minus Kv. So here K is the isothermal compressibility and beta is the volume expansivity. So these equations are applied only to liquids. So here when dou V by dou T at constant pressure is replaced in favor of beta, then dH becomes equal to Cp dt plus V into 1 minus beta T dP, ds equal to Cp dt by T minus beta V dP. So here beta and V are weak functions of pressure for liquids. So this is the description of volume expansivity and isothermal compressibility for evaluating dH and ds. So if you like my description, please subscribe my channel. Please like, share and comment my videos. Thank you very much.